All right, the last part of the lesson, again, we're just finding center, radius, and then stating domain and range. And this time, we're not going to use a picture. So we're going to do it all based on the concepts that we've been working on for this section. So the center for the problem 8 is 3 and then 0, since we don't have parentheses for this one. And then the radius is the square root of 16, which is 4. Okay. So again, if we just do kind of a rough sketch to help us get started. So here's my center. So domain again is this direction. So I'm going to add 4 and subtract 4 from the x value of my center. So 3 minus 4 is -1, and then 3 plus 4 is 7. So that's my domain from -1 to 7. And again, so range is this direction. So again, we have 4 and 4. So we're going to add and subtract 4 to the y value of our center. So 0 minus 4 will be -4, and then 0 plus 4 is +4. So that would be the range for that. Okay, so we have center, radius, domain, and range, and we're done. So next one, same thing. So we're going to start with the center. So the center is -2, 1, and the radius is going to be the square root of 13. And then we still have to find domain and range. So again, if we think about our picture, so here's our center, and then, so domain is this direction. So we know that we have the square root of 13 for this. So again, we're going to add and subtract the square root of 13 from the center and the x value of our center to get the range. So -2 minus 13. And we're just going to write that because we can't simplify it. And then we would have -2 plus the square root of 13. And then range, same thing. So range is this direction. So we're going to add and subtract the radius from the y value of our center. So we'll start with the bottom number. So it's going to be 1 minus the square root of 13, and then 1 plus the square root of 13. And that is going to conclude this section.